bike wants to pass, but I'm just going to. Oh, I'm going to pass. I'm going to pass. I'm going to pass. It's the bike, not me. It's the bike, not me, not me. The boss. I swear, this thing heavy. It doesn't need to be too tight because the chain is going to tighten this more. Is this thing so light? The reason why I'm happy about the cassette is because I don't have the tool to remove this. There's no need of me removing this anymore. All I need to remove is the tires and the disc brake. Let's do that. Let go. This guy is going to fall off.
When I take a U-step, it was big at it. Big like that, and I take it again. On got my G, my own science there. I wrote that in there, so I'm destined for this. When I take a U-step, it was big at it. Big like that, and I take it again. On got my G, my own science there. I wrote that in there, so I'm destined for this. Pray for me, pray for me. Tell my one mommy to pray for me. She goes on her knees, the cast and back. Steadily, I dey walk and ground.
I'm going to check how fast this thing can go right now, and later, I'm going to modify it and make it go way faster. Once I'm done, once I'm good with this battery, I'm going to upgrade this battery, and then this thing is going to be fire. So let's go test it out. Yes, keep here. I want to remove the nylon on the screen. Oh, there's 2 layers. Okay, let me leave the other one so that I can see perfectly. Yeah. So this is mode 1. Hey, this guy moves like a robot. Jeez. Oh boy. Move. I feel like Jesus. Oh God. Guy move and feel so smooth. Oh my God. Mode to Jesus. Honestly, will I be able to control it? No. Oh God. Oh God. Oh my God. I'm going to turn here. This guy is powerful. What? What are people doing with 72 votes? And no 3. Jesus Christ. I don't know what happened. Everything went off. So guys, I don't know what happened. The battery just cut off, and I don't know, maybe it's the battery management system on the bike. So right now I'm just trying to observe what happened. So I think it was sending too much power to the motor for me right now. I'm trying to moving on 25 kilometers and I'm already crying. Jeez, this thing moves like a robot and very stable. It moves just like a robot. There is no pedal assist on this bike yet. So the bike is moving and see if I have the pedal assist installed on it. And it's so sweet. This is Mode 2 and this bike has the power to go up to Mode 5. So Mode 2 I'm already complaining that it's too fast. How is Mode 5 going to be? Guys, this is massive. This is massive. What? I was going to pass, but the bike wants to pass, but I'm not going to. I'm going to pass. It's the bike, not me. It's the bike, not me. I'm going 25 kilometers. I don't know what happened before, why the power went off, but I'm just going to take it gently. that. I'm not gonna do that. I'm still trying to understand how this bike works, bro. Oh, I think the battery is green. I think, yeah, the battery thing. I will have to observe what's going on, where the battery is. Oh, pass up. Now, yeah, they go. Bye bye. Guys, there you have it, guys. This is massive. We did something here. We did something here, and you can see how fast this thing can run. Bro, please subscribe. I'm going to be showing you more on what this bike can do. And today I'm going to be changing a few things, because next time you're going to be seeing this bike, it's going to be boom. Let's go.